We all dream of that perfect glass-like skin, radiant, smooth, and glowing. But is it really possible to achieve clear, healthy skin in just 2 weeks? And can it be done naturally, without all those expensive treatments? Well, the answer is yes. Today, I'm going to share the secret formula for getting that glass skin you've always wanted, naturally, in just 14 days. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with a clean canvas. We've all heard the phrase cleanse, moisturize, sunscreen, but when you're aiming for glass skin, it's even more important. To start, you need to cleanse your skin properly to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Double cleansing is the key. Begin with an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup and sunscreen, followed by a gentle water-based cleanser to wash away the rest. This ensures your skin is perfectly prepped to absorb all the goodness you'll add next. If you prefer natural options, you can use coconut oil or sweet almond oil as a makeup remover and follow it up with honey and water as a gentle cleanser. These natural alternatives work wonders without being harsh on your skin. Step 2. Hydrate with natural ingredients. After cleansing, hydration is your best friend. You want your skin to feel plump, smooth, and nourished. And this is where rice water comes in. Rice water has been used for centuries in many cultures for its skin benefits. It helps brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and adds a natural glow. To use it, simply rinse some rice and soak it in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Apply the rice water to your face using a cotton pad or simply spray it on your skin. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Want to know how rice can transform your skin and hair? Check out my next video for amazing rice water and mask tips you'll love. Step 3. Moisturize for that glow. Moisturizing is a key step that shouldn't be skipped. A good moisturizer locks in hydration, keeping your skin soft and plump. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer for daytime, and for nighttime, you can opt for something more nourishing, like a thicker, richer cream. Natural moisturizers like aloe vera gel or rosehip oil are amazing options, as they hydrate without clogging pores and help improve skin texture and tone. Step 4. Natural exfoliation and mask. Achieve 2 benefits with 1 step. These natural remedies work as both a nourishing face mask and a gentle exfoliator. Apply them, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes to let your skin soak up the goodness, and then gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Rice flour and yogurt mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of milk. Rice flour gently exfoliates, yogurt brightens and softens, honey hydrates, and milk enhances the glow. It's perfect for smoother, brighter skin. Oatmeal scrub. Combine 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of honey or milk. Oatmeal is a soothing natural exfoliant that calms sensitive skin while gently removing dead cells, leaving your skin refreshed and radiant. Use these 2 to 3 times a week for the ultimate glow-up with 1 simple step. Step 5. Sun protection, everyday sunscreen. Yes, even if you're indoors, you need it. UV rays can damage your skin, cause aging, and prevent you from achieving that clear skin you desire. Choose a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously every morning. Make it a non-negotiable step in your routine, no matter the weather outside. Step 6. Trending natural alternatives to expensive skincare actives. Did you know that some of the expensive serums and actives you see in the market have natural alternatives that are just as effective? Let me break it down for you. Hyaluronic acid, you can use glycerin for plump, hydrated skin. Just add a few drops to your moisturizer, a dewy glow. Retinol, try bakuchiol or rosehip oil. Gentle, plant-based options that work wonders for wrinkles and texture. Niacinamide, look no further than aloe vera gel, which calms redness and strengthens your skin barrier. Salicylic acid, swap it for willow bark extract or green tea, perfect for clearing acne and shrinking pores. Vitamin C, go natural with kakadu plum or orange peel powder, both amazing for brightening your skin. Benzoyl peroxide, use tea tree oil, a viral acne-fighting solution that's gentle but effective. Of course, if you believe in market products or you're short on time, these actives are still amazing choices. But for those who love a natural approach, these alternatives can save you money while giving similar results. Now, let's talk about what to avoid for healthy, glowing skin. Over-exfoliating. Limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week to prevent skin damage. Skipping sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen, even indoors, to protect against UV damage. Harsh chemicals. Avoid products with alcohol, sulfates, or artificial fragrances. They can irritate and dry your skin. Unhealthy diet. Excess sugar and fried foods can cause acne. Touching your face. Avoid touching your face to prevent dirt and bacteria from clogging pores. Sleeping with makeup. Always cleanse your face before bed to avoid clogged pores. Dirty makeup, tools, and pillowcases. Clean your makeup tools weekly and change your pillowcase regularly. If changing pillowcases feels too much, try using a soft or silk towel over your pillow for less friction and smoother skin. Glow from within. Holistic skincare habits. Skincare isn't just about products, it's about the habits you build every day. Here are some powerful habits for glowing skin. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to let your skin repair and rejuvenate. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily and enjoy water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon for extra hydration. Sweat it out. Regular exercise boosts circulation, delivering nutrients to your skin for a natural glow. Nourish your body. Add omega-3s, antioxidants, and plenty of fruits and veggies to your meals. De-stress. Stress shows up on your face. Try journaling, meditation, or a quick 5-minute break to reset. And that's it. Follow these natural steps, and you'll be on your way to clearer, glowing skin in just 2 weeks. And remember, the real beauty in this video, it's you. Keep glowing.
My youth is yours.